Picture this. An unexpected expense just popped up. Panic sets in, but then you remember. You've got an emergency fund. A financial safety net. It's the buffer between you and life's unpredictable costs. Why is it essential? Because it offers peace of mind and financial security. Think of it as your personal insurance policy. It's there for when the unexpected occurs. So how can you build one? Start by setting a goal. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. It sounds like a mountain, but you can start with a molehill. Next, make it a habit. Dedicate a portion of your income every month towards your emergency fund. Set up a separate savings account and make your contributions automatic. What you don't see, you won't miss. Remember, consistency is key. Lastly, keep it accessible. Your emergency fund should be in a place where you can easily reach it when needed, but not so easy that you're tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. In the end, an emergency fund isn't just about money, it's about financial freedom.